Hello, my name is Anthony. Welcome to this session that discusses the enhanced work list feature, which is available in 23A in a number of Oracle Utilities cloud services. In this session, we'll talk about this new feature and how it can impact your business. I'll give you an overview of the enhanced work list feature, followed by more detail to explain how to use it and the benefits to your business. Then we'll walk through a short demonstration. Finally, we'll explain what you need to consider when implementing this product in your business and provide you with some additional resources. The work list feature was included in the cloud services as a way for end users to take information they've identified and transfer key information to a list, to enable end users to process groups of information more efficiently by reducing navigation. In this release, we are enhancing the work list to be more efficient workflow when using the list. At the end of the day, the goal of this enhancement is to provide an improved way of working with lists of information to drive user efficiency. The work list in the past was a simple dashboard-based list where the user simply marked the records they had finished working with when using the list. In this release, we've added new functionality to improve the experience, which includes quick navigation buttons to the next or previous item on the list without the need for scrolling. The current item being worked upon in the list is automatically marked with a star to visually tell the user their place in the list. This can be clicked to mark an item as complete, as in past releases. You can click items to mark them for ignore. This allows an individual user the ability to refine the list at runtime. This ignore indicator is used by the list navigation to find the next valid item in the list to process. When you navigate away from the list, it will retain all the information when you navigate back to the list to avoid confusion. This feature is automatically enabled for use with no additional configuration needed. As in past releases, the work list is transient and only applies to your current session. Now let's take a look at the enhanced work list. Welcome to the demonstration of the enhanced work list function, which is available for 23A. Now, to use the work list in your cloud service, you need to navigate to any query zone that has an icon on a column like these ones, as you see here. So it says work list. This will work on any query zone that has this feature enabled. And when you click on this icon, the contents of this column are transferred to your work list, which is in your dashboard zone. Now, the dashboard zone, in this case, the work list, I've placed it at the top so you can see it. And I've minimized all the other zones for my user. So what I can do is I can click on this and it will transfer the contents of this zone that's been displayed. So in this case, it's all 50, but I could transfer a smaller amount by refining it or more. So you can see that the work list is now populated. Now I can go down this list and click on entries I do not want to work on by simply clicking on the column and marking them. I can unclick them as well to re-enable them again. Now once I'm ready, I hit next and you can see the first, it will navigate to the first item and mark it as the current item, as you can see here. So I can see where I'm up to. Now I could work on this as I would normally. It could be any function and I'm happy. Once I'm finished, I hit save. I can say next. And the item is now marked as complete and I'm moved on to the next item. Now I've got a few here I want to ignore. So again, if I click the next button, it will jump the ignored ones and mark the next one. So as you can see, the work list function works you through and you can click through to the item that you need without navigating back to the search to find it. And you can continue working on that. Now, one thing I should point out is that the list can be added to from a number of transactions during the day. And once, if I close the browser, this work list is cleared and I have to rebuild it again. I can also manually clear it by hitting the clear button. This concludes this presentation. Thank you for watching.